Master Teacher of Chemistry at Vedantu. Welcome to the session where I will be revealing the top 5 most expensive elements. So we have been learning about the elements on this channel, right, from past few months. That is, know your element series, or maybe the alchemy also I told you about, the gold, how you can convert anything into gold. Is that possible? So only if you watch the session you will get to know. And we have been doing the different series, maybe about the radioactivity, all that. So it must have made you think about, so what if I obtain this element and try out these experiments, right? We will have those kind of thoughts. But today, so what I'm gonna reveal might surprise you, and will think, okay, let's just settle down with sodium chloride, acetic acid, baking soda. Okay, so what are the top 5 most expensive elements? So you must be thinking, hey, gold, gold, hamara gold. But let me tell you, the most expensive elements on earth mein, the gold doesn't even make the list. Yes. So there are elements which are more expensive than gold. Let's see what are those elements and what are the uses, what makes them so expensive. So the first is, if you want to buy a gram of francium, do you want to know how much it costs? 1 gram. I'm not talking about kg, half kg, 500 gram, not even 10 gram. 1 gram of francium, it costs you more than $1 billion. So the calculation, yes, you do it, convert the $1 billion into rupees. Take your time, because I am sure the expressions, you will have the same expressions on your face, because that is how I looked when I read about it. So 1 gram of francium, it almost costs you $1 billion. But the question is, even if you have that kind of amount, so let's think I have $1 billion, but still I won't be able to buy it. No, I don't have $1 billion, but still, just assume, even if I have that kind of money, I won't be able to buy it. Why? We just said, just cost you $1 billion, then I should be able to buy it, right? Why? So I will tell you why you can't buy it, but before that, let me tell you why should you get the pro subscription. So if you are here for the first time, I'm sure so we all want to learn and crack the competitive exam, score well in the board exams. Along with that, you want to learn new things every single day. So what if I tell you all those things are available on a single platform where all of your problems will be solved? For example, doubts are not getting resolved, the notes are, it's not sufficient, or I don't know how to answer a question. For all your problems, we have got a solution. So you will get to attend the unlimited live classes, where in each session there will be lots of hotspots, quizzes. Yes, you can be on the leaderboard. You can know what is your level among the students. That too, you will be competing with the students throughout the world. Yes. So even if you couldn't watch the session also, because there are unlimited live classes, right? So it will be difficult to pick few. So you can watch the replay, where you can still play the quiz and get a chance to be on the leaderboard. So you will get the handwritten notes of the teacher. The test will be conducted regularly, and assignments will be shared with you. You will get the personalized attention. Along with that, bonus alert. So you will get some very amazing courses like micro courses, crash courses, for absolutely free of cost. So all you have to do is visit the link given in the description and in the pinned comment, or you can go to vdntin/YTPro, and if you use the coupon code SURPRO, you will be getting additional 20% discount. So more classes, lesser the price you need to pay. Yes, that is how it works here. So the coupon code is SURPRO. Chalo. So I was telling you why you won't be able to buy 1 gram of francium, and the answer is because 1 gram of francium has never been produced. Yes, I know. Now, like, chemistry is interesting, right? Because it is highly radioactive, and half-life of francium is only 22 minutes. So obviously, even if you have produced, it won't be there. So like, no one could produce 1 gram of francium till now, because It is highly radioactive, and its half-life period is very, 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 very low. The largest amount of francium that has ever been produced in lab is only, yes, so you might be like thinking how much it is. So it's only 3 lakh atoms. So you know, right, in 1 mole you will have 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. So 3 lakh atoms and 6.023 to 10 raised to 23 atoms. So you can think and just let it, digest. Yes. So that is the reason this makes it one of the most expensive element on Earth. Next is Californium. So it is also highly radioactive. It is so radioactive that it does not occur naturally on Earth. And 1 gram of Californium, it costs you $27 million. $27 million. It is not rupees, $1,000,000. So again, convert into rupees and let me know in the comment section. So the global production of Californium is 0.5 gram per year. So per every year, so globally, not in India or in US, so globally only 0.5 gram of Californium has been produced. So I told you it is highly radioactive, right? So 1 microgram, I'm not even talking about a gram, 1 microgram of Californium, it can release 170 million neutrons per minute. Per minute, 170 million neutrons. So we all know what are neutrons, right? The 3 subatomic particles are there: proton, electron, neutron. So neutron is neutral in charge. Yes. So next is carbon. Finally, one element about which we thoda sa at least we know about it, right? So most essential element, and we have been using it. It is there inside our body also, almost 18%. So coal, graphite, diamond. So we have studied about the allotropes of carbon, different allotropes of carbon, that is diamond, graphite, fullerenes. So the arrangement of the carbon atoms in a different order is the reason for its extremely high value. That is, in diamond, so 1 carbon atom has been arranged, has been bonded to 4 different carbon atoms, and in graphite it is only 3. So that makes them different, and diamond is almost $65,000 per gram. So of course, you might be thinking, no, Ari, my mom has a diamond ring or a diamond necklace, but it's the quality is also very, very important here. So 1 gram can go even up to $1 billion also. I'm sure you have read about it. You can't be serious, I know. So let's just settle down with carbon, graphite. It is also same, no? Yeah. So do you know about plutonium? Not Pluto, plutonium? Yes. So it costs you almost $4,000 per gram. $4,000 per gram. So why is it most expensive? Is its scarcity is the major reason for its price, because it has got some very important applications. It is used as a fuel in the nuclear reactor, and nuclear weapons may also it has been used. So that makes it scarier, but it is also very expensive due to its scarcity. The scandium, another rare earth metal, it is useful in aluminum alloys, and it is one of the highly traded metals on earth. So 1 gram costs you $270 per 1 gram of scandium. And globally, so only 10 tons of scandium are traded per year. So it costs you almost $2.7 billion. Yes, so these are our top 5 most expensive elements. So I'm sure after watching the session, you might be having the same expressions. Let me know in the comment section. So were you surprised, or you already knew about it? Because as I was preparing the session, because we can't remember everything, right? We also have to study, do some research, prepare the content. So I almost had the same expression throughout my preparation. So because it is kind of surprising, because whenever we read the newspaper, we like, our parents will keep on telling us, oh, see, look at the rates of the gold, it has hiked up, and silver is this much and all that. Then only we'll be like, what, who wants to give? Because I'm the one of the person who doesn't like spending money on gold, or I'm not materialistic. So I used to be very much surprised, like, why? But after reading this, I'm like, okay, good, you're much better. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching the session, and let me know in the comment section. So did you already know about it? Were you surprised, equally surprised like me, and had all these expressions? What? Yes. So, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Yes, Elementary Chemistry by Vedantu. It is happy learning. You know what to do. Keep loving chemistry, elementary chemistry by Vedantu, and your master teacher Surabhi too. Bye bye. Take care. I'll see you very soon.